Welcome back to another amazing Qigong video in nature. Today we're blessed to be here at Crater Lake. Look how gorgeous it is here. Amazing. The beautiful thing about Qigong is we can go to these special places and connect from our hearts and our bodies and feel the energy, the Qi from these beautiful places to come in, heal our body, strengthen our body, strengthen our energetic bodies, but also bring us into higher development in our energy and spirit. To do that, we just need to relax our mind, relax our body, and our breath. Together, all these things help us open our heart, open our energy to connect. As I stand here in Wuji, I let myself let go. And now I begin the process of collecting nature Qi around me. Scooping the essence, the Qi of this beautiful land. And I draw it right into my center. Feeling it in the center of my palms, the Laogong points, and connecting that to my center in my lower abdomen. It's always advisable to go to slow the whole movement down so you can connect parts of the body, connect parts of your mind, so you can feel those connections, building the energy. Take your time, there's no rush. Qigong is much more about feeling it than it is doing it. As we keep scooping this energy of this space, we start to fill up. It starts to nourish us. Not just the energy, but also the memory, the experience of that being there, the flavor, if you will. And then I extend my arms in front of me, holding a Qi ball between my hands, right in front of my center. And I do my best to relax my posture. And then I begin rotating the Qi ball in front of my lower abdomen. So I've collected this Qi. Now I'm going to begin the process of working with it inside. Feeling my center connect to the center of Crater Lake, or wherever you are at this moment. Extending your sense of feeling, allowing yourself inside somatically in your body What does it taste like? This feeling, this energy I'm cultivating in this moment. Beautiful thing is each time you do this practice, it should feel different. It should feel new. Always want to come to a practice with a curious mind, never judging or expecting anything, but just being simply open to the experience. Then raise your arms up, sealing that down the body. This is called Qigong. Returning the many qi inside and all around you. Back to your center one last time. Now, the beautiful thing is, as you return back home to your center, this simple practice can be done anywhere, anytime. And it is deeply nourishing and healing for the body, mind, and of course your spirit. Just in case you still feel a little bit not completely grounded in the body from that experience, you can massage your center, your abdomen, or any parts of the body, especially ones that need more healing. And then finally, seal it one last time at your center.